beauty junkies, subbies, and my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Da 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 da. I know this has been a long overdue video, and it's been a while since I've made a video. I've just had some personal things going on. I've been rearranging, redoing my room. If a lot of you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, you all know my personal stuff. School has been like H-E-L-L. ... So I decided what better way than to do a new video of my new walk-in closet. Yeah, it's back there. I have shown it in one of my social media sites, and it's gotten a lot of great reviews, so I decided to do a video, and I wanted to come back with a pretty bang. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna walk in, as you see. So this is my walk-in closet. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I know. Now believe me, it's not no Kim Kardashian, no famous billionaire, but it is mine. I love it. It is my own personal style, and it can't get no better than that. And come on now. It's my own room, my own stuff, and it's spread out the way I like it. So, as you see, that is the entrance, and this used to be the garage, but now it's turned into a bedroom. Ah! Well, not really a bedroom, but my closet. Ah! So just walk in. I have up here some new like dresses and stuff that I recently purchased, along with some old belts and some new things for the summertime vacation time. Then over here is just a lot of my shoes, which I need to fix up. Shoes and stuff. Then over here, I just have my jewelry box with my heads, roller heads, whatever you want to call them, with my pretty gold chandelier fakey, yeah, you know. Then up here is just a little collection of some stuff. This is kind of like my purse and shoes. I'll go in so you can see it. And then over here is another one. It's got more of like my jewelry, fragrance, nail polishes, sunglasses, and more shoes and vintage purses. And then some stuff down there. Yeah, oh, you can never go wrong with one of those. Then some purses hanging up to the side. Up here, I just got more bags and stuff. So I like that. You know, it's pretty dope. All right, so let's get into the other good stuff. So right here, I created this DIY. If a lot of you all don't know, I like doing my own DIY projects. And so, DIY project, yeah. And then this is my mirror. Hi, y'all like that, huh? Yeah. And then down here with, you know, I like fur. I think I want to get a big fur rug because I don't like this tile, and you see marks from where I painted the wall. Yeah, I painted it. So, this over here, I did find at the thrift store, and I redid it. I liked it because it reminded me of the mermaid mirror. So I like this with some pictures. I didn't know really how to fix that, so I just kind of fixed it up like that. Chair, makeup. Yeah, this ain't nothing. I had 3 of these, and I've downsized. Oh my goodness, I got the birthday edition from Kylie Jenner, and I must say, I love it. I freaking love it. So I think I'm going to be ordering more. Desk where I do all my office work, my computers and stuff like, well, not my computers, but my homework and stuff, school, yeah, pictures of my siblings. I love them. I have more, believe me. I have a huge family. So I liked how I did this. It kind of sets it, oh, sorry. It kind of like breaks it apart like it's a different room. Ta-da! So over there is like my shoes, purses, all that. Then over here, I have clothes. I try to color coordinate everything. The pants that are hanging up, who was it? Oh my goodness. I seen a video. Oh my goodness. I can't even think about it. I can't even think. Jaclyn Hill. Yes. she's never gonna watch this video, but I have to give her a shout out because her fucking closet is the bomb. The bomb. It's the bomb. Her sister did an awesome job. But I think it was her sister or the stylist that she had from California who came in and put outfits together and already had it set up. So when she walks into her closet and she doesn't really know what she wants to wear for that day, she can pick a hanger and know already the outfit is completely put together for her. Now, don't get me wrong, I love putting my outfits together, but I thought that was a smart idea. So, Jaclyn Hill, I'm kind of still in your idea. I'm sorry, but I have to because I thought that was the freaking bombest, dope-ass shit ever. Excuse my French, but I'm just being real with you. So, I am going to steal that idea. Now, I'm getting rid of these hangers. I colored coordinated everything. I'm going to kind of redo all this in here. As you see, I got my tall boots, my nice jackets and all that. And then I have clothes. I'm going to redo this in here because I want to put, I'm thinking about knocking this whole wall down and putting shelves up there so I can hang stuff because I don't like it so confined like this. So I think that's going to be my next house project to do. All right. All right. But other than that, this is what I'm going to deal with right now. But I'm changing the hangers because I ordered me some new hangers. Yeah, they're like suede pink. Ah, I can't wait. Anyways, so far, let me show you. Right back here, I already have clothes that are pre-made. So if I feel lazy and I don't want to put an outfit together, I'm going to go grab an outfit. Yeah. Thanks, Jaclyn Hill, because I love it. I love that idea. That was the bomb idea ever. Sorry. And then the pants and stuff, these are some new pants that I got. So I'm just trying to fix those on how I want it done. Then I have my jeans down here, my skirts. This is just an extra table, whatever. I have flat shoes. I have hats. I have some stuff back here. These are more of like my writing books and stuff like that. Candles. And then back here, my headpieces. My sunglasses, well, not really sunglasses, but like the fake glasses and stuff like that, and headpieces. My tall boots up here with my hats, and some random red shoes up there. Then my booties. I have like some of my jackets right here. I got to get rid of all that, I know. Over here, down here, this has a lot more of my luxury sunglasses, my wallets, scarves, stockings, yeah, and some shorts. Then this is just a random shelf right here. Don't ask, I don't know, but it has more of like my wallets down there. Yeah, right down there, you see, yep. Then all my crop tops, because, you know, a girl like showing some skin, yeah. And then fragrances, chokers, and then my pre-workout stuff, and just a random gold thing. Back here, I have more shoes, if you can see. Yay! Yeah, there are more shoes back there. Yeah. I had to fit it somewhere, so. Then this is kind of like my Marilyn Monroe, you know, just to say thank you, I love you, you're iconic, you're beautiful. No offense, but you weren't tiny, you weren't big, you were a beautiful size, and you wore it well. So a lot of people don't think she's iconic, but honestly, in my dictionary, she is iconic because she is beautiful and she didn't care what other people thought. And I love her quotes. So that is why I have her in here. So forget the haters. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Then I have some Decor books down there, magazines. Oh, don't laugh. I wanted a chandelier in my room. I'm going to eventually change this up here, and I'm going to get a chandelier. I've just been looking because I don't know what I want yet. I want crystal and gold, so, you know, blah, 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 blah. So I went to the thrift store. As most of you all know, I am a thrifter. I love thrifting. Yes, I do. And ta-da! I found my chandelier. I found my chandelier, and I only paid $1.99 for it. Can't beat it. Then this is my little luxury area. I know it doesn't really match anything, but it's mine. It's in here, so if I want to chillax, chill, watch some TV, look at my own space. It's my own room. I enjoy it. I love it. It is to my comfort. There's much more things that I want to change. There's other stuff that I want to do in here. But for right now, you know, it's much bigger and it's actually getting there. So thank you all for checking up on me, being patient. I truly appreciate it. As you see, I've been doing a lot of work, rearranging, changing our garage into my closet. Yes, and I can't wait to do more. But other than that, if you love this video and you want new upcoming videos, and if there are certain videos that you want to see, comment down below and let me. Also, I'm not into the whole editing videos and stuff like that, but I would like to, because you know what? Social media, YouTube is changing, but I'm always going to be me. If there's anything or any editing places that you know of, let me know. I know lighting, like my lighting and stuff, it's going to get better. I'm ordering some stuff. But other than that, I appreciate everything. If you like this video, thumbs ups, make sure to subscribe. But yeah, thank you all so very much. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness.